there, my name is Deborah, and I want to tell you a little bit about the course that I'm offering. It's an introduction to making your own skincare products at home using herbs. And in this course, I'm going to introduce to you the idea of incorporating herbs into your daily life, specifically in your skincare product, and how using herbs can benefit your skin's health as well as your overall health. In the course, I'm actually going to do a video demonstration on how to do an herbal infusion, and in that process what we do is we extract the active ingredients from a particular herb and we get it into, in this case, an oil, and that oil will be used in our recipe to make our skincare products. So that herb that you've chosen will be in your final product. So it'll be fun. We'll talk a little bit about herbs and how they benefit you, which ones you might want to consider. You may already have a favorite, and that's great. We'll talk about the carrier oils that are used in the recipe. Carrier oils vary from oil to oil somewhat, and we'll talk about how those differences can affect your overall product and also affect your skin. So with the basic introduction to carrier oils, you should be able to pick one that is best suited to your skincare needs. I'll do a video presentation of the process of making the skin cream, and you'll be able to watch step by step exactly how it's done. Of course, you're going to have direct access to me, so we'll be able to communicate back and forth, which I think will be so lovely. I'm really looking forward to getting to know you, to hear about where you're at in your herbalism journey or your do-it-yourself skincare products journey. I think it'll be so fun to just grow and learn together. I love the idea of creating a community where like-minded people come together. You know, the art of herbalism is so beautiful, and I think what makes it even more beautiful is when people come together and share ideas and grow together, just like a garden. What are you going to have in the end? You are going to have a beautiful product that you can use and share or even sell if you like. And you'll also have the basic foundational knowledge of what to do next. So you may be so inspired you'll want to go out and just continue to learn more and more and try new recipes, take another class. You're just going to have the knowledge that you need. And even if you decide that you don't want to continue to make your own skincare products, you'll at least have an understanding of how the ingredients in our skincare products might affect our overall health. And so when you're shopping for a product at the store, you'll know exactly what to look for. I'll give you some ideas to go forward at the end of the class, things that you can take with you and just, you know, continue to learn and grow. So if you're interested, I am so excited to meet you in the classroom. Go ahead and sign up today, and I will talk with you soon.